I'm really excited because it's an opportunity for us to collaborate, but also to really focus on our theme for this year, which is a listening year, so that we can better support our teachers and ultimately better support our students so that they can meet and exceed their grade level standards. It's a very exciting time for iLearn schools, and I am very happy to be a part of it.
And we are together right now with our school administrators, school leaders, instructional coaches, the academic team members, and we are very excited. This is a much needed gathering.
We have a lot of new team members, so the support is there, and we are looking forward to this great new school year.
We're here today learning from each other, and it's going to be a great year.
All boils back down to the kids and how to help the children the best, how to help them learn, how to help them achieve their absolute best.
This week, we're really focused on the two important standards for our school leaders. One, instructional leadership, and what that means to be an instructional leader, to ensure that we are using multi-tiered support systems, to ensure that we're also using PBIS, which is positive behavior intervention strategies, and incorporating SEL, our social and emotional learning component.
COVID-19 had a devastating impact on our students' learning. At iLearn schools, we are aware of the problem ahead of us, and we are getting prepared to give a strong start on September. We got this.